Good evening, everyone. I'm Gary Shapiro, Executive Chair and CEO of the Consumer Technology Association, the owner and producer of the CES, the coolest, greatest, funnest event in the world. And I want to welcome each of you to the Sphere. Take a look around this place. There's truly nothing like it anywhere in the world. And tonight, we're not just watching innovation, we're feeling it. This is CES at its most powerful, where the brightest minds and boldest ideas come together to show us what's next. And we're about to experience something extraordinary because Lenovo is taking center stage. Now, Lenovo has always been a force of innovation, driving technology that connects us, empowers us, and now, through AI, redefines what's possible. At the heart of it all is a visionary leader, Lenovo's chairman and CEO, Yuanqing Yang, or as many know him, YY. He believes technology should elevate humanity, not just efficiency. That belief drives Lenovo's vision, smarter AI for all. So get ready for a truly next-level experience, the global debut of Lenovo's Tech World at CES. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Lenovo's chairman and CEO, Yuanqing Yang.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Lenovo Tech World at the CES, brought to you from the one and only Sphere. Thank you for choosing to spend this evening with us, an evening with AI taking center stage. Nowadays, AI is no longer just generating answers, writing code, creating images, and producing videos. AI is quickly evolving and gaining new capabilities, sensing our three-dimensional world, understanding how things move and connect, learning our logic and complexity, and interacting with reality in ways never seen before. AI is everywhere. For each of us, this transformation is deeply personal. AI will sharpen your intuition, boost your creativity, and inspire your imagination. Because AI is learning from a unique source, your own language and expressions, habits and preferences, experiences and memories. Therefore, AI has the opportunity to augment, elevate, and maximize human potential. For your business, the impact could be even more profound. AI is not just helping you streamline a process or optimize a workflow. It empowers your organization to use your own operational data, learn your own processes, and apply your own decision logic to draw insight and create value while evolving into a self-learning, self-reinventing entity. So this is just the beginning of a new chapter when technology and humanity synergize, and the digital world and the physical world finally come together. Now, we invite you to see how Lenovo brings AI to you directly. Every person is unique. Every organization is different. No single AI model or device can meet everyone's needs. One size never fits all. Perhaps you are no longer satisfied with the AI outcomes generated from generic information or public sources. You want something that is distinctly yours. Lenovo is here to deliver exactly that. Personal AI, designed around the individuals, brought to your fingertips, anywhere and on any device. Enterprise AI, designed around the full value chains in your organizations, uplifting your day-to-day operations, empowering your employees. Together with the public AI, they shape a new era, hybrid AI. In fact, a great friend of mine shares a similar vision. Let's welcome the founder and the CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen Huang. Welcome back to Lenovo Tech World.
Hey, Las Vegas. Yeah.
So Jensen, we recently had our partnership day at NVIDIA. We showcased our collaboration journey, our joint innovation in full stack of IT hardware, PCs, workstations, high-performance computers, GPU servers, data center, as well as physical AI, robots, and vehicle computing. So this partnership day marked a new milestone in our 3-decade partnership, right?
3 decades, wow.
Yeah.
I don't think we're that old, are we?
Yeah,
3 decades.
we are still younger. we still can work 30 years.
YY was in his 20s when we first met.
Yeah.
You were?
20s, yes.
Yeah. Late 20s. I was in my early 30s.
Yeah, so absolutely, so Jensen. So this AI era presents enormous opportunities for both of our companies. So we set a goal to quadruple our business over 3 years, probably can less. So Jensen, you always talk about the 3 waves to prepare AI: accelerated computing, generative AI, and now agentic and physical AI. And yesterday you did a special speech here at the CES. So can you share with our audience what will be the next big thing in AI?
Yeah, you know, when you and I first met, it was during the beginning of the PC revolution.
Yes.
And it was a major platform shift from mainframes and data center client server systems to personal computers. You and I have seen several other platform shifts since, from PCs to internet to cloud, cloud to mobile cloud.
Yes.
And now there's a new platform. The definition of a new platform, and you see a platform shift when applications are built on a different computer.
Yeah.
During that platform shift that we started in, applications started to become built on Windows and PCs. Now applications are built on AI. AI is going to be the foundational layer, almost the operating system. These large language models are essentially the operating systems of future applications. But this platform shift is so deeply profound because not only is the platform for applications changing, but the entire computing system underneath is being reinvented.
Absolutely.
From classical applications written on CPUs, running on CPUs, to now AI applications running on GPUs. And so the last 30 years that we've known each other, the last, if you will, $10, $15 trillion of the IT industry's investment now needs to be reinvented, modernized.
Okay, yeah.
Which is the reason why we're looking at these trillion-dollar opportunities ahead of us. Now, this platform shift starts with accelerated computing, and we're now changing the computers from classical to accelerated computing, but now on top of it, we have agentic AI, and we have, or generative AI, and now agentic AI on top of that. So I think this platform shift is just so incredibly profound, and now so many new companies are being started, and just last year, $150 billion of investment went into AI-native companies, and companies, gigantic companies, are now shifting their R&D from classical R&D methods to now AI methods.
Yeah, so from a traditional computer to cloud compute, then to AI compute.
That's right.
Yeah, but do you think in the future?
And we, you know, as you know, we created this new system, and this new industry is going to need a new infrastructure. Started with Hopper. Hopper was, if you will, the first generation that really took off. And we're now in the generation of Grace Blackwell. And last night, we introduced a new generation called Vera Rubin. Incredible technology, 6 brand new chips, new CPUs, new GPUs, new networking switches. And this entire system is not only incredibly powerful, but is going to reduce the cost of token generations or the cost of AI generation while increasing the throughput of AI generation. So a big lift, about 10 times generational leap from Blackwell, and Blackwell was 10 times of Hopper.
Yeah.
So the technology is moving incredibly fast.
So, but besides the AI training demand, so it seems AI inferencing will become the new trend. So that will demand more and more compute as well, right?
In the last several years, AI models have been increasing 10 times per year. The size of the models is kind of like the size of the application went from 100 billion to a trillion going to 10 trillion. These models are gigantic in scale. Not only that, because of reasoning AI and agentic systems, the AI is thinking a lot longer before it generates the answer.
Yes.
It comes up with, you know, its own chain of thought, and it reasons about whether the answer is the best answer it can provide you, might even reflect on that answer, maybe do some research, use tools, and generate the best answer for you. The number of tokens is also growing incredibly fast. The combination of size of the model, the token the thinking tokens that's being generated as a result, the amount of computing that we need is just growing exponentially. It's incredible.
Yes, Jensen. So our visions are completely aligned. At the Tech World last year, we unveiled Lenovo Hybrid AI Advantage with NVIDIA together. Since then, we have announced multiple joint innovations almost each quarter. So today, we have something big to announce again. We are launching the Lenovo AI Cloud Gigafactory with NVIDIA. It works with, thank you. It works with a new Rubin platform you just announced yesterday. It helps the cloud providers to achieve time to first token much faster and scale to hundreds of thousands of GPUs for trillion parameter large language models. So Jensen, what does this mean for us and for our customers?
You know, one of the things that inspired this collaboration between us is the fact that Lenovo builds most of the world's supercomputers.
Yes.
Very few people
Probably
know.
1/3.
1/3 of the world's top 500 supercomputers are built by Lenovo. That skill of manufacturing the systems, really complicated systems, and also installing these large systems into supercomputing centers is an expertise that Lenovo has.
Absolutely.
And so the question is whether we could, in a lot of ways, package, productize Lenovo's expertise in manufacturing, installing, bringing up, and turning these systems from computers into an AI factory for customers as quickly as possible. And that was the big idea. I think the customers are going to be able to, these systems are so expensive and they're so complicated, there's so much technology inside. The customers want to be able to deliver the first token and put it to work as fast as possible.
Yeah.
And so this is a big opportunity for Lenovo.
So other than that, so Lenovo also bring Neptune liquid cooling technology into this picture. So we are the only company, as you just said, that can combine in-house design, in-house manufacture, and global services at this scale. So this is definitely another big leap in our partnership. So thank you very much, Jensen, for joining me today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care, guys. Have a great show.
As we just discussed, hybrid AI is the ultimate path to AI democratization. The power of AI should belong to you. Smart AI is all. It's AI built for all. To make it happen, besides fully leveraging evolving frontier models, we also need a lot of breakthroughs in user-centric technology. To demystify what makes hybrid AI possible, please welcome Lenovo's Chief Technology Officer, Dr. Tolga Kurtoglu.
Imagine if every idea you had was met by an intelligent agent that truly understood your intent. Professional prompting skills, not required. Imagine if AI wasn't the Wild West of models, apps, and gimmicks you're coping with today, but a single, simple user interface that turns complexity into access and data into knowledge. That's the kind of future hybrid AI will make possible, and it is the future Lenovo R&D teams work towards every day. We do it for the largest businesses in the world, but more importantly, we do it for each of you. Today, my colleagues have a lot to announce. Next-gen AI agents and devices, fully orchestrated AI infrastructure and solutions, the name of a few lucky football fans going to the World Cup. As CTO, I'm supposed to pop the hood and get technical. But this is CES, you are here for a show, and I want to show how an AI agent could help give you one. That system does not exist today. Instead, let's pretend for a moment that I have an AI co-host built just for Tech World. Here for one night only to help us explore the technologies that power the hybrid AI future, Meet our Tech World super agent.
Hello, it's nice to meet you all. Welcome to Lenovo Tech World 2026.
Hey, are you ready to help us visualize some agentic AI innovation?
I'm always ready, Tolga. That's kind of the point.
Confidence. I like that. Well, let's get to it then. The future of AI is a universe of models. You're already experiencing it. ChatGPTs, nanobananas, Groks, llamas, and many more. AI is huge and diverse. And for it to work like we want it to, it has to stay that way. In your day-to-day, you'll need everything from small models on device to large cloud-based models, all with unique training and specialization. Some will fit on the Motorola Razr in your pocket, others on the world's most GPU-intensive servers. Each one has the potential to expand your capabilities and speed your productivity. Take me, for example. As Lenovo's CTO, I know the technologies we're discussing tonight inside out, but producing an event like this is not my expertise. From visual effects to lighting design, script writing to stage management, I have gaps in knowledge that AI models could help fill.
I've got you, Tolga. If you're looking to cut technical jargon and punch up your speech, I'd keep things local, routing your query to a lightweight model on device. If you wanted to create visuals to match that speech, we'd need a complex image generation model hosted in the data center via private or public cloud. Either way, I can review your needs and route seamlessly to the right model for the job.
This is what we call intelligent model orchestration, the foundation of any AI super agent. It enables AI agent to access a pool of specialized models, identify the best one for your need of the moment, and optimize performance, maximizing security, minimizing latency, and reducing compute cost. With it, we can calibrate preferences for any user, securely referencing your data and harnessing more efficient, more valuable AI for any use. With this universe of model at its disposal, the next thing a super agent needs is a brain, what we call an agent core. Agent core is a sophisticated cognitive engine that enables AI agent to understand you, break complex requests into manageable steps, and remember its interactions with you. Pulling from a personalized knowledge base to get things done the way you want them done.
Put simply, it's what makes just any AI agent uniquely your AI super agent.
Precisely. Thank you. If I prompt any old chatbot with something ambiguous, like, help me make this keynote unforgettable, it's going to say, very pleasantly, absolutely, what keynote? But with Agent Core, we can give our super agent co-host not only the information it needs to give a more personalized response, but the ability to sift through that information, understand my intent, and take action.
Tolga, with Agent Core, I can review everything from transcripts from the last 6 months of Tech World working calls to the messages you exchanged with your team this morning. I know you want to keep things focused and immersive, and your next topic will help bring that home. I suggest we keep things moving and get to our next core technology.
Great advice. Agent Core enables agents to take personalized, context-aware action on your behalf. But complex tasks may still call for more cognitive power. This brings us to our final foundational super agent technology, multi-agent collaboration. Like humans, AI agents sometimes need a team to get the job done. It would take a little more than a summarization to make any evening unforgettable. But if I give our super agent an instruction, say, execute an immersive cinematic experience, it would need a little help.
I might interface with an audio engineering agent, integrating with a sound system to keep you on your toes. Talking to you from over here. Over here. Nope. Now I'm over here. or coordinate with haptics, lighting, and sound agents. To sync with the script and grab your attention for an important announcement.
As we continue to advance multi-agent collaboration capabilities, super agents will become increasingly skilled at reviewing our goals, designing workflows, and activating teams of task-specific agents to execute them. Soon, with a super agent leading the way, teams of domain agents can help support events like this one, maximizing our experience, keeping the speakers focused and moving, and increasing productivity for the human team behind the scenes. This is multi-agent collaboration in action. Later in the show, you'll see how this works today in your workplace, across complex global supply chains, and through your own personal device ecosystem. Because ultimately, these three capabilities, intelligent model orchestration, agent core, and multi-agent collaboration, are the technology backbone that will unlock an agent-native future. One where the complexity of our collective knowledge doesn't have to be condensed or simplified for us to use it. And humans are free to do what humans do best: create, explore, and connect. Next up, YY is on his way back to show us what hybrid AI can unlock in your day-to-day. Thanks, everyone.
As Tolga just showed you, technology is here to integrate the data and the knowledge seamlessly across multiple devices, different operating platforms, and various applications among ecosystems. Many of you own multiple devices: a phone, a PC, a tablet, and maybe a smartwatch or smart glasses. Your photos, files, contacts, ideas, and even your entire life experiences are scattered among these devices. Imagine they are all united through one super agent, one personal AI, which learns your patterns and retains short and long-term memory about you. And you can interact with it however you want to, through voice, text, and key. It will then orchestrate across all your devices to deliver a truly personalized AI experience. This one personal AI begins with perception through sensing devices, including wearables such as smart glasses and smart rings, and ambient technologies such as conference room cameras. Your personal AI will see what you see, hear what you hear, all with your permission. After perception comes collaboration across portable, interactive computing devices like PCs, tablets, phones. Your personal AI helps you plan, create, and communicate. It grows as it learns. This is supported by your own private AI compute, an emerging category of personal computing hub that we are pioneering with Project Qubit. Project Qubit provides high-performance, scalable AI compute for personal use, gradually evolving into your trusted companion. Over time, your personal AI becomes your cognitive partner to think as you would think, act as you would act. So how does it work in action? Time for the big reveal. Today, we launched Lenovo Kira, our first personal AI super agent. In China, we call it Tianxi. So it redefines what it means to have technology built around you. Lenovo Kira works on your phone, PC, tablet, or wearable, wherever you need AI to be. It works across platforms, from Windows to Android. To show this, please welcome my colleague, Angelina Gomez.
Wow, this stage is unreal, and what a crowd. It's so wild to be up here, and I'm so glad to share this moment with you and with Lenovo Kira, who's quietly powering these concept glasses and keeping me grounded and in the know up here. Hey Kira, are you seeing what I'm seeing right now?
We're at Sphere in Las Vegas. You are standing in front of a 160,000 square foot screen with an audience of thousands.
Lenovo Kira can use glasses to see what I see and understand my surroundings. Hey Kira, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Lenovo Kira, your personal AI system that lives across your Lenovo and Motorola devices. I'm excited to show Tech World what I can do for you.
Same, let's do this. Okay, it's been a crazy day, and I've been running around backstage, and I haven't had a chance to look at my phone in hours. Hey, Kira, catch me up on what I missed today.
Here's what matters. Your sister sent a photo of the kids saying good luck. Mary Kelly emailed about the FIFA briefing tomorrow. The holiday family video you made on your PC is ready.
Perfect. As you can see, Lenovo Kira knows what really matters, from my work to my personal life across all of my devices. Oh, that reminds me, I still need to get my nieces a souvenir. Hey Kira, what should I get the kids when I have free time?
The fashion show, Las Vegas Mall, has Labubus that kids go crazy for. You have free time tomorrow at 11 a.m. Would you like to add a reminder to your calendar?
Yes, please add reminder to calendar. That's right, Lenovo Kira doesn't just suggest things. It actually helps me block the time so I can focus on what really matters. All right, next up, the FIFA briefing, and I definitely need some help. Hey Kira, find the FIFA doc I started drafting. What do you think of this ending?
In recent discussions with the leadership team on FIFA partnership development, I suggest updating the last paragraph with the latest stats.
This is perfect. Okay, format it up and email it back to Mary Kelly. Great. Now that that's sent, this is what really sets Lenovo Kira apart. It doesn't just answer things, it understands my work, my devices, and the moment I'm in. It brings it all together to give me exactly what I need. Okay, well, now that that's done, I have one more thing to show you all. This isn't just a necklace. It's actually an AI wearable proof of concept. It's been capturing the important moments from today, of course, with my permission, which means Lenovo Kira already took today's notes, so I don't have to. Now, let's test it out. Hey Kira, what did YY say about you earlier today?
YY said, Lenovo Kira redefines what it means to have technology built around you. It's everywhere you need it to be.
I love that. Okay, let's switch it back to my phone. Hey Kira, I'd like to draft a LinkedIn post about your debut today.
Here's a draft. Today at Tech World, we debuted Lenovo Kira, your new personal AI, live at Sphere. Your Lenovo and Motorola devices stay connected so your day feels coordinated and everything flows. As Tolga said, humans should be free to create, explore, and connect. And speaking of creation, I saved the photo you took outside the Exosphere for your LinkedIn post.
Did you guys see that? I didn't even have to ask. Lenovo Kira pulled everything together behind the scenes. The content from my glasses, the moments my wearable captured, even the perfect photo from my phone. I can't wait to share this on LinkedIn the moment I step off stage. And you guys better go like it. With Lenovo Kira, everything just works together. Your phone, your PC, even your wearables. It's one connected intelligence that keeps up with me effortlessly. We're so excited to bring Lenovo and Motorola Kira to you all in the upcoming months. But now, back to you, YY.
As we just saw, Lenovo Kira is truly a perceptive AI. It's keenly aware of its surroundings. It interacts with you however you want to. What do you like or dislike? Lenovo Kira remembers. What you might need next, it anticipates. Whatever it does for you, it protects your privacy. Lenovo Kira is a cognitive human-machine interface, helping you get things done the way you prefer. Lenovo Kira is available when you need it, coordinating multiple AI agents to bring together knowledge and information for insights. Over time, it grows more like you, eventually becoming your personal AI twin. To bring this vision to life, we work closely with our partners. Joining me next is Lenovo's long-term strategic partner, Intel, and a true pioneer of our industry. Please welcome CEO of Intel, Lip-Bu Tan. Lenovo Tech World. So clearly, this AI era brings new opportunities for both Lenovo and Intel. I believe everyone here wants to know if we have a big plan together.
Yes, YY, we have never short of big plans, and especially at such an exciting and dynamic time in this industry.
Yes.
As you said, AI transforming the entire hardware and software landscape. And it is adapting to enhance our everyday experience. For more than 3 decades, Intel and Lenovo have worked side by side to push technology forward. Not just for speed or performance, but for possibility. Together, we deliver PCs, workstations, infrastructure, and empower billions of people around the world.
Yes, 3 decades, 1 billion customers.
That's right. As we look forward ahead, I'm confident our partnership will grow stronger across the PC, the data center, and the cloud to enable the AI innovation to accessible, responsible, and inclusive. We have shared passion of co-engineering world-class technology that meets the needs of our customers.
Absolutely.
And the true power of Intel and Lenovo partnership is to turn innovation into impact.
Definitely, Lip-Bu. Our two companies have always been co-engineering the future together, from silicon to boards, from system design to supply chain, bring smarter innovation into every generation of PCs, servers, data centers. And our AI PC, Aura Edition, is just another perfect example.
Yes. When we began working together on Aura Edition, we have shared vision to create an incredible intelligent PC experience for customers, blending Lenovo design leadership with Intel AI performance at every level. That collaboration continues as we expand Lenovo Aura Edition portfolio, powered by Intel's very latest Core Ultra processors, with even more form factors and capabilities.
Absolutely.
It is a great milestone in multi-year journey. one that is redefine what is possible when two global innovators come together to shape the future of PC.
No doubt, Aura Edition has been a huge success so far. And Li Bu, since this is CES, how about you join me for a product launch?
Let's do it.
Now, we are launching the next generation of Lenovo AI PC, Aura Edition, with a full portfolio. Lenovo's Aura Edition PCs, imagined with Intel, help you easily transfer video files between your phone and PC with a simple tap. Quickly switch between working and gaming modes, and get live service support on any PC questions. Our super agent, Lenovo Kira, will soon be embedded in each of our Aura Edition AI PCs, bringing smarter AI closer to everyone.
And our partnership is also delivering transformative experience in gaming PC.
Yes, Li Bu, I also want to highlight this FIFA-branded gaming PC, Legion Pro 7i. It is a FIFA World Cup 26 edition. In the future, Lenovo Kira will be right there with gamers, learning how you play and helping you play smarter. In addition to Aura Edition and Legion, Lenovo has a full range of smart devices, which will start to leverage Kira. So let me invite the president of Lenovo's Intelligent Device Group to share more. Please welcome Luca Rossi. So Luca, it's all yours.
Sure. As you just heard with Intel, we are not just building devices together. We are shaping the future of AI. Now, you know Lenovo for our PC leadership, but we are so much more than that. We are pioneering a new kind of intelligence with Lenovo and Motorola Kira, one that adapts, evolves, and puts you at the center. We are empowering your AI superpower across the industry broadest portfolio lineup, anytime and anywhere. Whether you are a creator, a professional, a small business, or a global enterprise, we are going to make your life easier. At the core of it lies our vision of one personal AI, multiple devices. Everything you touch, PCs, tablets, smartphones, glasses, watches, and many kinds of wearables will be working as one, seamlessly. This is a technology that knows you. Think about having a personal AI twin. And yes, that's exactly where we are heading. All devices will become AI devices very soon. Within 3 years, AI PC will be 80% of the market. And the number of AI smartphones is projected to reach almost 1 billion. Looking ahead, we also anticipate that Lenovo and Motorola Kira will run on more than 1 billion devices. No one is better positioned than Lenovo to help you embrace the change ahead. On the PC front, our leadership just got stronger with the latest generation of our new Aura Edition portfolio that we are announcing today. From the iconic ThinkPad X1 and X9 to the powerful Yoga series, Aura Edition redefines what premium means. Powered by Intel latest Core Ultra 300 series processor, Aura Edition delivers smarter AI acceleration and greater efficiency. So, what do these AI PCs do for you? Coming soon, with Lenovo Kira, you get enhanced personalization and superior intelligence. You will also benefit from all-day battery life, security, and top user experiences like smart modes. For the first time, Aura Edition expands beyond laptops with a stunning ThinkCenter X and Yoga 32-inch all-in-one desktops. So get ready, the best in AI PCs is here. Now let's talk about our best ever AI phones. If you are thinking of switching from another brand, now is the time to do it. Motorola has been on an incredible run, especially in the premium space. Our Motorola Razr family, the #1 in North America. And today, we are taking that leadership even further. I'm excited to introduce Motorola Razr Fold. This Razr Fold gives you a bright 8.1-inch display. The large screen boosts your creativity. For example, the new Moto Pen Ultra and the Sketch-to-Image feature turns every rough sketches into stunning, true-to-life images with AI. Razr Fold will also be enhanced by Motorola Kira features like Catch Me Up that Angelina showed us earlier, giving you a more intuitive and connected experiences across all your devices. And for those photo enthusiasts, you will have a best-in-class camera that rivals anything in your pocket. More details coming this spring, but for now, just know the next generation of foldables begins today. And that's not all. Say hello to our new franchise launching this week, introducing Motorola Signature. This is the most refined phone we have ever created. The first of its kind with 4 50-megapixel cameras that captures every moment and every memory in stunning clarity. Crafted for those who demand the best in technology, design, service, this ultra-thin phone delivers an array of exclusive experiences. And thanks to Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, you get lightning-fast performance and soon the very best on-device AI with Motorola Kira. Also coming up, we will launch a special edition with Swarovski crystals, inspired by the constellations, bringing mobile luxury to new heights. But luxury is not just about sparkle. It's about self-expression, and we are passionate about bringing together iconic design and innovation. And our partnership with Pantone, the global authority on color, is another example of that vision. sustainable wood, luxurious Alcantara, vegan leathers, and Swarovski crystals, we are bringing color and finishes that stand out in a world of black and gray. From phones that express who you are, to PCs that adapt how you work, create, play, and live, we are reimagining how you connect with the world. At the center is Lenovo Qira, a new kind of intelligence that orchestrates multiple agents across all your devices. Lenovo's Qira evolution is not a solo endeavor. It's made possible with partners like Microsoft. And for more on that, I'm proud to invite on stage Microsoft Consumer Chief Marketing Officer, Yusuf Mehdi. Great to see you.
Great to see you, my friend, Luca. This is incredible, and congrats on these great announcements.
So, Yusuf, we just introduced Lenovo Qira. People will wonder, how does it work with Microsoft Copilot? How are we bringing together to create better experiences across all devices?
Well, first off, congratulations on the announce. We're thrilled to bring the full power of Microsoft technology to Lenovo Qira. With Azure and Windows Foundry, we're going to provide the most advanced AI models and infrastructure to deliver consistent performance for people wherever they engage with their devices. As we charter this path together, we're going to do more and more integrations between Copilot and Qira. Simply put, we're going to make sure that we deliver smarter, more intuitive, natural experiences that do what you're talking about, Luca, unify the experiences across devices.
So, a lot of work with Qira, and our relationship, I will say, is rooted in redefining what technology can do. And we have transformed the PC experience repeatedly. So AI now accelerated this. Am I right?
Absolutely. As you well know, Luca, we've been working together to transform how we interact with our PCs. Together, we've reimagined over the last couple of years the PC completely from the inside out. Whether how it works, how we design to bring new capabilities like AI naturally into the flow, and to change the very nature of how you interact with your PC. It starts with being able to simply interact with your PC by talking to it, or just texting and asking for what you want. And then your PC should be intelligent enough to understand the full context with your permission of what you're working on. Features like Copilot Voice and Copilot Vision make that possible, giving you effortless ways to engage. When you want to get something done, you simply just talk to your PC. Yeah. And when you share your screen with Copilot Vision, it can understand the context of what you're working on, with your permission, of course, and then give you smarter suggestions, faster help, and ideas tailored to your task. Together, we've also re-architected the PC to do on-device AI, which gives you better privacy, better latency, better performance, with the full power of the cloud behind it. Yeah. So intelligence is built in, it's natural and ready whenever you are.
Yeah, and now the next step, we are bridging a seamless experience between phone and PC. Maybe you tell us more about that?
Well, this is one of the things I'm most excited about. Because people today live, obviously, we all live across devices, many devices, and we expect it to be a seamless experience. So we're delighted to partner with you to bring Copilot to your Motorola phone and to have that be a seamless experience. So simple things like being able to have text messages between your PC and your phone will now work. Motorola users will get access to the Copilot app right on the home screen, or if you click in the search bar, so you can start asking questions simply right within Copilot. And with our new Miko appearance, that's even available so you can talk to that on your device. Mm-hmm. It's expressive, it's customizable and warm. Maybe not for everybody, but it's really fun. And it even calls on old friends to help from time to time. Hey, Clippy.
Wow.
Lenovo and Motorola are uniquely positioned with both phone and PC capabilities. We're so excited, Luca, to partner with you and Lenovo to pioneer this important scenario and to bring great, credible experiences for everybody.
Thanks, Yusuf. Phenomenal partnership. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. All right. We are evolving wearables like the Lenovo concept glasses that you just saw earlier, and that passion to bring together fashion and self-expression continues. This AI proof of concept, we call it Project Maxwell. This is the next bold step. Developed by Motorola 312 Labs, this wearable AI concept can be worn as a pin or as a pendant. It hears what you hear and sees what you see, always, of course, with your permission. And thanks to Motorola Kira, it is your personal assistant on the go. I've set it up to listen to my remarks today. Hey, Kira, how am I doing so far?
Right on track, Luca. Now it's time to wrap things up.
Okay, will do. So, every breakthrough we have shared today began with one simple focus, and that's you. Your needs and that your trust drive every innovation we create at Lenovo. We have amazing partners joining us in this journey, including Qualcomm. Together, we are taking wearable technology and more from concept to reality. So, please join me in welcoming back YY, together with my good friend, the CEO and President of Qualcomm, Cristiano Amon. Thank you. Thank you.
Good to be here, YY.
Cristiano, welcome to Lenovo Tech World. We just saw Luca showcase Motorola's new wearable proof of concept, Maxwell. So we are working with Qualcomm on many more this kind of AI native devices. I believe this is an emerging category with huge potential in billions of units. The opportunity to transform wearables and even fashion industry is probably now. Every kind of wearables will have its smart edition. So Cristiano, our audience are eager to know how Qualcomm technology is driving your leadership in AI and how Snapdragon powers the next generation device category. So let me leave the stage to you.
Very good. Happy to speak about it. Thank you so much, YY. Thank you for the opportunity to be here. You heard the man, billions of devices. Look, this is an exciting time for technology, but I want to start this conversation by saying it's incredible when two companies have a shared vision of the future. As I was watching YY presentation and talk about the different scenarios across devices and the experience with personal agents, this is exactly how we think about it at Qualcomm. I feel this could be, like a Qualcomm event talking about the evolution of Snapdragon, the age of AI. So, and this is incredibly exciting because it's going to materialize on the new class of devices. And I like this concept of intelligent wearables. It's going to be like your true personal AI device that's going to be your companion. And it's interesting because with your permission, it's going to have your data, the data that is relevant to you, the data that is going to stay on device, the data that's going to go on the cloud, is going to react in real time, it's going to be intuitive, it's going to have context, it's going to merge the physical and digital world for you, and it has to be fast, otherwise it's not useful. You need to get an instant response for your agent of your companion. And for us at Qualcomm, we kind of see this is actually the new mobile device category that is going to be alongside your phone. A phone is an incredible thing. It's the #1 consumer electronic device, and it will continue to be there, even though it's changing its nature with processing. But those new classes of personal AI devices are going to be a big opportunity. I actually don't think it's unrealistic to think it's going to go into billions of devices. We see the potential to be to 10 to 100 million in the next couple of years, and it's going to be very big. And what is interesting is the reason we talk about wearables and those personal AI devices, because humans already decided what they're going to wear. And there's going to be glasses and jewelry and pendants and rings and bracelets and pins. And this is the opportunity that the tech industry is going to merge with the fashion industry. And some companies, and I think Lenovo is one of those companies, started to understand this opportunity. And you actually have the ability to make everything smart. And we're incredibly excited about this. And we're working with Lenovo and Motorola in building a multitude of those devices. And they range from smart glasses. It's very intuitive, especially when you think about see what you see, hear what you hear. It moves with your head, but it's going to be necklace, pendants, as you see. You have some pins, as you saw with Maxwell. And this is incredibly exciting opportunity. And to make all of this a reality, you have a lot of technology. So those are very small devices. They have to be power efficient. They have to have a lot of computing. They have to have connectivity. They have to have the ability to run models locally. We're talking about the ability on a Snapdragon chip to run multi-billion parameter model devices in some of those tiny wearable devices. It pushes the boundaries of technology, including we have to reinvent connectivity. We had, for example, the ability to do Wi-Fi at the power profile of Bluetooth, so you can go away from your phone and get an IP address and continue to be connected to agent, all the way to cellular connectivity. It's an incredible opportunity. It is a unique technology that we're doing, I think, with Snapdragon. And some of the things that you saw actually behind the screen, like Kira, you know, there's technology from an always-on low power that is listening to the wake word. It runs a lot of those AI on the device together with the cloud with hybrid AI. And I think this future of hybrid and edge AI is very significant. And I'm going to make a prediction as I finish this conversation. It's very clear to us that the value of the edge data is very significant because the edge data provide real-time context that are unique to you. And I actually believe whoever mastered the ability to harness the edge data and provide something that is relevant to you will be the winner of the AI race. So this is an exciting time, I think, for technology, and we're very proud of this partnership with Lenovo on sharing this vision and doing this. And our partnership with Lenovo is not just about those personal device category. It spans from what we have been doing in mobile with Motorola, AI PCs, tablets, desktops, and even the opportunity to do high-performance inference with appliance. And this is where I believe we have an incredible opportunity with technology and with Snapdragon. When you think about unplugged performance and parallel connectivity and the ability to run hybrid AI. This is exciting. I think we're very optimistic about the future of technology, and we're very, very proud of this partnership between Qualcomm and Lenovo. Let me now invite YY back on stage, and thank you.
Thank you, Cristiano, for your great partnership. Together, our innovation never stops and only accelerates. You just feel the speed. You just heard the power. And it's more than just the racing. It's the fastest enterprise in action. Where are the Formula One fans here tonight? Yes, myself included. Lenovo is the proud sponsor and a global technology partner of Formula One, the most technologically advanced sport in the world. Every Formula One season, teams push the limits of human endurance, collaboration, and innovation with one goal: go faster. At Lenovo, we empower that drive. Each event weekend, the Formula One team transfers 600 terabytes of data. The data is received, stored, processed, and distributed through Lenovo technology. Our PCs, workstations, servers, storages, and advanced solutions. Even more, for the 2026 season, in Formula One's data centers, Lenovo's Neptune liquid cooling solution is significantly boosting energy efficiency over traditional air cooling, saving costs and helping our planet. It takes a powerful, sustainable, and robust computing infrastructure to bring you such a thrilling experience. Formula One is just one of the examples. We actually can help many other industries to smartify their operations. At its heart is a new generation of computing infrastructure. This computing infrastructure market has experienced 4 waves of innovation. The first wave was about the traditional compute, supporting enterprise digitalization. The second wave was cloud compute, driven by the rapid rise of cloud services and applications. The third wave was definitely AI compute, led by large language models, which need massive CPU, GPU compute clusters. But the AI compute includes training and inferencing. While AI training remains largely on cloud, AI inferencing needs to bring compute closer to where the data is generated. So the next wave definitely will be the booming of AI inferencing. So putting powerful devices on-prem, at the edge, and in your hands will be the trend. When inferencing and the data generation are closely located, so you will get faster responses. If you run a factory, inferencing on edge means you will receive real-time maintenance alerts. So this saves time and money. If you own a chain store, you will get immediate notifications when inventory gets too low. So you will stock the shelves and sell more. AI inferencing on-prem gives you a real competitive advantage. At Lenovo, we are determined to lead in this new inferencing era. So public cloud, private cloud, on-prem data center, and edge together form hybrid computer infrastructure. This will be the foundation to unleash Lenovo hybrid AI advantage. So how does the Lenovo hybrid AI advantage work for you? Besides running on robust hybrid computer infrastructure and working with the enterprise data and the knowledge, it enables you to match the right AI model to the right task, using lightweight models for easier routine checks, such as detecting a defective product, and using more advanced ones for harder, complex challenges, such as production scheduling or demand forecast. Then it orchestrates multiple domain agents to access and extract the relevant information, enabling them to generate plans and take actions. By integrating hybrid computer infrastructure, data and knowledge, AI models, and agent platforms, we build our AI factory and then create a library of AI solutions for full value chain, from sales marketing to services, from R&D to supply chain, from finance, HR to legal, and for a wide range of industries, combined with the AI services that are ready for action and ready for you. So this is a Lenovo hybrid AI advantage. Ultimately, every enterprise will probably build its own super agent, just similar to Lenovo Kira in personal AI. It will integrate all data generated from all applications, coordinate all domain agents across value chains, and create insights and value for the business. To hear more, I would like to invite our end-to-end strategic partner to join me. Please welcome Chair and CEO of AMD, Dr. Lisa Su. Welcome back to Lenovo Tech World stage.
It is wonderful to be here amongst all this incredible people.
So Lisa, I just talked about the AI democratization wave is coming. AI inferencing is happening more and more on-prem and on edge. So today, I'd like to invite you to join me in announcing an important product in enterprise AI.
Absolutely, YY. You know, AI is really transforming every industry, and enterprises everywhere are asking the same question. How do I bring AI closer to my data with the flexibility to grow and evolve over time? That's exactly what we're working on together.
Yes, Lisa. So today, we are introducing Lenovo's latest AI inferencing server featuring AMD EPYC processors. So this new server delivers powerful on-prem AI inferencing, so our customers can unlock real-time insights, make faster decisions, and keep their most valuable data secure.
YY, I am so excited to showcase the new ThinkSystem SR675i. It's really a great example of how we're bringing AI closer to where customers' data lives. And with AMD EPYC at the core, we've created an AI-ready platform that delivers outstanding inference performance today with Lenovo and gives enterprises the flexibility to really evolve over time, including future support for AMD Instinct accelerators as part of Lenovo's broad portfolio.
Thank you, Lisa. Next, I'll give you the stage to share a little bit more with our audience.
Thank you. You know, we are at the very early stages of a new era of computing, one where AI becomes a capability that lives everywhere, in data centers, in factories, in hospitals, in PCs, and at the edge. For enterprises, AI can't just be powerful. It has to be open, efficient, and trusted. You need to run AI in the cloud, on-prem, and at the edge, using your own data on your own terms, with the freedom to choose the right mix, whether it's CPUs or GPUs or other accelerators and software. There is no one answer for AI. As inference demand accelerates, AI isn't just growing, it's accelerating. Customers are asking for systems that can handle much larger models and higher throughput inference, not just a single server at a time. And that's why rack-scale AI infrastructure is becoming so important. To further build on our partnership, I'm really pleased to share that Lenovo will be one of the earliest system providers to adopt AMD's Helios rack-scale AI architecture. Helios is a new blueprint for AI infrastructure, the foundation for the next era of compute. It brings together AMD EPYC CPUs, Instinct GPUs, Pensando networking, and our ROCm open software stack into an open integrated platform for large-scale AI workloads. At the center is our next-generation AMD Instinct accelerator, the MI455X. It is absolutely the most advanced chip we've ever built. Designed for massive throughput, an industry-leading amount of high-bandwidth memory, and the efficiency to power the most demanding AI systems in the world. With Lenovo adopting Helios, customers will have a clear path from on-prem enterprise workloads on the ThinkSystem SR675i to the most demanding training and distributed inference workloads on rack-scale AI systems using the same AMD end-to-end technologies together with Lenovo. We really believe that the future of compute is built on deep collaboration across the entire ecosystem. We're building this end-to-end portfolio, and I am so proud of the partnership between AMD and Lenovo because we really are across all areas, from EPYC CPUs and Instinct GPUs here in the data center to adaptive computing and Ryzen AI on the PC, all on an open software foundation. Customers can deploy AI wherever it creates the most value, and that will change over time. Together with Lenovo, we are delivering performance, openness, and choice, so AI investments can translate into real-world business outcomes. Now let me invite YY back to the stage.
Thank you, Lisa. Lenovo is pleased to be one of the earliest system providers to adopt the AMD Helios rack-scale AI architecture. So together, we will deliver a new class of rack-scale systems for high-performance training and inferencing for our customers.
Thank you, YY. We are super excited.
So next, let's hear from the leaders of Lenovo Infrastructure, Solutions and Services Groups, Ashley Grokvavala and Ken Wang. First, let's welcome Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
YY?
Yeah, so let's have a picture. Okay, Ashley, we will see you in a bit. Thank you.
Thank you. As you just heard, enterprise AI starts with data. Every click, every transaction, every interaction, it's an opportunity waiting to happen. To make the most of that opportunity, you need a hybrid infrastructure that connects data in your cloud, in your data center, or at the edge, running workloads exactly where they matter the most. Because let's be real, AI without infrastructure, it's like an F1 car without an engine. It looks great, but it goes nowhere. And as YY said, infrastructure is the foundation of our Lenovo hybrid AI advantage. Our validated AI factory solutions turn your data into action, fast, secure, from sales to supply chain, and from marketing to manufacturing. So why does that matter? Because today, AI must operate in real time, stopping credit card fraud as it happens, analyzing MRIs instantly, personalizing customer interactions with AI agents. And when your data lives in the public cloud, you need flexibility, scalability, speed. That's why 8 of the world's top 10 cloud service providers trust Lenovo. We don't just supply cloud technology, we engineer it. You see that in our global factories, innovation and design, quality and build, and expertise in deployment. But building great infrastructure doesn't stop at the factory. It spans your entire hybrid environment, from storage to IT operations to cooling. Like our innovative, industry-leading Neptune liquid cooling, you cut energy use by 40%, you boost performance, and you hit your sustainability goals. That level of innovation sets the stage for the next era of AI. Up to now, the focus has been on building AI, model development and training. The next wave, using AI at scale, at speed, across every function of your business. And so how do we do that? By bringing AI to your data anywhere. That's where AI inferencing comes in, turning trained models into action. Agents, chatbots, computer vision, all making decisions in milliseconds. But inferencing technology faces some well-known bottlenecks. There's memory, latency, security, energy. At Lenovo, we're solving for all these challenges with purpose-built infrastructure designed to power AI at the speed and scale of modern business. So today, I'm excited to introduce the most inferencing optimized portfolio in the industry. First, the SR675i. Internally, we call it the Beast, optimized for high token throughput, low latency AI inferencing at scale. With Neptune liquid cooling, unmatched GPU density, and massive memory, enough to run a full LLM anywhere, it brings AI inferencing where you need it most. Imagine healthcare. Your patient comes in for an MRI. 30 gigabytes of private imaging data streams off that scanner. AI inferencing analyzes the data where it's created, supports diagnosis, organizes the scan, links it to the patient history. The impact? Life-changing efficiency, faster decisions, better outcomes, lower compute costs, all while keeping patient data private. So next, the SR650i. The sweet spot server for most inferencing workloads. It's engineered for peak performance, already holds 5 AI inferencing world records. In financial services, fraud detection shifts from reactive to real-time protection. Every card swipe, login, transaction is securely analyzed by advanced models delivering agent-driven responses and remediation in milliseconds. The result? Your customers enjoy seamless, secure banking, and you get smarter, faster fraud detection. So finally, the SE455i. This is the Anywhere server. It's bringing AI inferencing to the edge, where data is generated, tokens created, decisions happen instantly. Built for demanding environments, it turns raw inputs like basic computer vision into proactive automated workflows. Let's take retail. An AI agent analyzes live video and the purchasing data, predicts inventory needs, and schedules an associate for restocking. No lag, no cloud delay. Just real-time intelligence powering smarter retail operations. The outcome? Your shelves are stocked, your shoppers helped instantly. And as AI evolves, your entire enterprise should evolve too. With Lenovo TrueScale Infrastructure as a Service and our new hybrid AI factory services, you can deploy and manage AI inferencing workloads anywhere. These solutions make your business smarter and your vision unstoppable. So, speaking of unstoppable, there's one team that proves what's possible when imagination meets technology, rendering ultra-high resolution content at incredible speed, from amazing, fully immersive experiences like the Wizard of Oz at Sphere, to powering everything you're experiencing here today. Please join me in welcoming the President and CEO of Sphere, Jennifer Koster. So Jen, it's great to be with you here in this incredible venue. I think when people think of the Sphere, they think of an experience, unlike anything else. A place where technology meets creativity at a scale few could have imagined. So Jen, over to you.
Thank you, Ashley. At Sphere, our mission is to bring wonder to the world. And there's advanced technology behind every aspect of how we do that. It's designed around the experiences we want audiences to have. Sphere is an experiential medium, one where you're not just watching content, you're immersed in it through sight, sound, scent, feel, and emotion. As you've seen today, these immersive experiences can take you anywhere. And that innovation behind so much of what we do at Sphere begins at Sphere Studios, where our artists and technologists imagine and create experiences to transport audiences together. And to push boundaries this far, we need bold partners, equally committed to innovation. And Lenovo is one of those partners. Lenovo understands the scale, the complexity of what we create, and the infrastructure and expertise is powering many of the high-speed workflows that are fueling what you're seeing here today. So one of the best examples of Big Sky, our proprietary camera system, nothing existed that could capture imagery at the scale and quality needed for this display. It's the highest resolution LED screen in the world. So, like much of the technology powering Sphere, we had to design and build it ourselves. And now, we have 5 patents issued, 10 more pending in the US, and applications filed around the world. Each element of Big Sky is a leap in innovation. From the first of its kind 18K sensor to how we process the data. We're delivering 40 times the resolution of 4K with frames that are more than 70 times larger than traditional HD. Big Sky generates 30 gigabytes per second of raw data. As you can imagine, this requires extraordinary compute power. And that's where Lenovo helps make the impossible possible. Lenovo's workstations and infrastructure transform Big Sky's raw data into full-color images, along with handling the complex grading, compositing, and rendering. It's a true fusion of technology and creativity. And without Lenovo, we couldn't move from capture to final render at the quality or the speed that we need. And as you can see, the results speak for themselves. So now we're really excited to show you more about Big Sky and how, with the help of Lenovo and their processing power, we are pushing boundaries to bring wonder to the world. One last thing, pay attention to the final shot for a world-first look at some mind-blowing footage captured by Big Sky. It's from a place that very few people have had the opportunity to visit.
Sphere itself is ambitious. It required an ambitious studio to realize that vision. Every show here demands novel thinking. Our medium is immersive, where the audience is part of the experience. To do that, we designed a screen sharper than the eye can see. And because there isn't a camera in the world that can fully meet the resolution demands of our media plane, we invented one.
We have been given an opportunity to create a tool that abets a completely new way of thinking. Big Sky isn't just the highest resolution camera system in the world. Big Sky is an entire ecosystem. A capture platform that includes lenses, recording media, bespoke accessories, and a whole end-to-end pipeline from pixel in to pixel out. It's a complete rewrite on how we approach images. It's an incredible feat of engineering. I mean, the lens follows you. The resolution and pixel density of our cameras and display planes is guided by what we need to trick the brain into seeing reality, turning our screen into a window and convincing audiences that they are somewhere they're not. We've designed systems to long-line Big Sky 200 feet off a helicopter, hundreds of feet underwater, hard-mounted to a race car, a roller coaster. We want to take you to places you can't otherwise go. We have a workshop with equipment designed to make this camera as usable and as functional as possible. And our foot's still on the gas. We're continuing to innovate and evolve and push boundaries on what is possible in every way.
You're so immersed in the storytelling and what's going on the screen and around you. We use our capture platform to make that happen. Those skies in the Wizard of Oz experience were shot in spectacular fidelity with Big Sky. The footage is 18K by 18K, 60 frames per second uncompressed. The unprecedented volume of data is matched only by the processing power of the Lenovo workstations that we rely on. That's the foundation of our partnership with Lenovo.
Sphere is one of one. It's not just a venue. It's the most powerful canvas in the world for artists, brands, and audiences. Big Sky has transported audiences all over the globe. And now it's taking us even further.
Wow, amazing. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Sphere. What you just saw is what happens when breakthrough creativity meets real-time data processing. And that same transformation is reshaping every industry, where inferencing turns intelligence into action, powered by the right infrastructure, services, and solutions. To show you how we're making enterprise AI real, please welcome to the stage Ken Wong.
Tech World! It is fantastic to be here with all of you. By now, I hope you agree it is time to lean into AI. Or as Gwen Stefani would say, what you waiting, what you waiting, what you waiting for? Tick-tock, tick-tock. Sorry, too early. Too early for party. Thank you. Now, today, I want to show you how the Lenovo Hybrid AI Advantage is helping customers to deliver incredible results. So far, you have heard about the AI factory, the technology engine. But technology alone isn't enough. We know from talking with customers around the world and across industries, including some of you here today, that putting AI to work is challenging. It can feel overwhelming when you need to know, how do I show ROI? Do I have the right people? What about data governance? That is why we have Lenovo AI Services. If you're not sure where to start, we'll show you what is possible and help you develop your plan. If you know the outcomes you want, we'll deploy the solution, the right solution to deliver them. And if you're not ready to manage AI long term, we can do that too, so you can stay focused on your business. And also, with Lenovo TrueScale, you get the flexibility to scale up and down according to your needs. The third part is the Lenovo AI library. Unlike anything else in the industry, and it makes AI simple. It contains hundreds of proven solutions ready to be tailored to your business. They are already working for customers across industries like ones that many of you working in today. From retail and sports to transportation and manufacturing, when you start with the library, you get to value faster, often in under 90 days with far less risk. One example is XIQ Workplace, an AI platform that helps IT manage its resources while keeping employees productive and happier. Now, that might sound like a Las Vegas magic trick, but it's actually AI at work, where every employee gets the right device, right software, and the right support. Because if you're a designer, you need a high-performance AI workstation with advanced creative tools. But if you're in sales, you want an AI PC that updates customers' record every meeting. Now, for you IT folks here tonight, the next part is for you. Now, behind the scenes, the solution constantly monitors your environment, resolving issues before they interrupt your work. Now, when you put all these together, you get a better employee experience, lower support costs, and more IT issues resolved proactively. This is like hitting the jackpot here in Las Vegas. Now, the AI library also includes solutions purpose-built for specific industries. Manufacturing is a great example. Now, recently, many of us celebrated holidays that include giving gifts. Now, I have 2 college students in my family, and their wish lists were a mile long. Now, before any product can be bought or sold, it goes through a manufacturing process that can include hundreds of interactions around the world. Now, making sure everything runs smoothly is complicated. That is where Lenovo iChain comes in, our AI-driven supply chain platform that manages the entire process like a finely tuned orchestra. We know it works because Lenovo uses iChain every day to build and ship more PCs than anyone in the world. For example, our new ThinkBook Auto Twist is made up of more than 2,700 components coming from different corners of the world. iChain is the conductor that brings them all together. It uses AI to get every part to the right place at the right time. So no matter what happens, from severe weather to supply shortages, the process keeps moving without missing a beat. And once the PC are assembled, they're shipped to more than 180 markets worldwide. So with iChain, we always find the best route to get our products to you. That is Lenovo's global local in action. Now, for all of those wish lists, like the one I got for my kids, they all get fulfilled on time. Another library solution is our AI-enabled robotics. Now, I want to show it to you because, first, I believe it will be the part of the next big wave of AI applications. And second, it's really cool. So let's look. For one of the world's largest power grids, we, Lenovo, developed our AI-powered robodogs. They inspect every part of the grid, navigating all types of terrain, and they use advanced sensors to take readings and detect issues like leaking or breakage with accuracy rate up to 98%. And they can even make fixes on the spot. Now, this means safer operations, fewer outages, and keeping human workers out of hazardous environments. Oh, here he is with us tonight. Wow, looks like you have something for me. What is this? Let me have a look. Oh, wow, so hard. Wow, looks like 2 tickets to FIFA World Cup. So close. I think it's for me. Well, it's actually a World Cup reminder for all of you here. So be sure to scan the QR code for your chance to win tickets to the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Now, we'll announce the winner in just a bit. So grab your phone, and scan that code before the contest closes. All right. Thank you, buddy. Great job. Now, of course, we Lenovo isn't waiting for the next World Cup to innovate with FIFA. Now, let me show you one last example of our AI library. an enterprise solution we developed for FIFA. Now, FIFA is one of the world's most data-rich organizations with hundreds of matches every year. And also thousands of players around the world and millions of data points. Things like game highlights, player stats, social media posts, and much more. Now, altogether, these amount to petabytes of data. And that is enough to fill 500 billion pages of text. So mining that data is a huge challenge. Lenovo worked with FIFA to create a customized enterprise knowledge assistant called Football AI Pro. Now, this next-gen solution directs a whole team of AI agents to search FIFA's vast data and deliver the right information in seconds. Now, here's what that looks like in action. Coaches can consider how their tactics could be worked against an opponent before their next match. And players get personalized match analysis. And analysts can compare team patterns using video clips and even 3D avatars that bring data to life. And Football AI Pro understands multiple languages. So it can interact with all 48 teams who will be competing at the 2026 World Cup. It is one step closer to the Lenovo vision of smarter AI for all. Now, get ready for a look at more ways Lenovo is working with FIFA to elevate global football. Thank you, and enjoy.
Everyone in the audience, let me hear it from the football fans. Again, myself included. Lenovo proudly sponsors the most popular sport on the planet, global football. The FIFA World Cup 2026, enabled by Lenovo AI, will be the biggest event in the history of our community. Lenovo is the global technology partner for FIFA, providing complete IT solutions. Our infrastructure technology helps referees make offside calls with confidence and almost no delay. We are creating AI-enabled 3D avatars so that the world's greatest players are represented more realistically than ever before. You will also see a stable field angle of the game, brought to you by the AI-enabled referee view solution from Lenovo. If you are a user of Lenovo and Motorola devices, you will get the first access to this amazing new footage delivered straight to your phones or PCs. Now, it's my honor to be joined by my friend, the president of FIFA, Gianni Infantino.
Hello, Vegas. No, hello, Vegas. Do you hear something?
Yeah.
Hello, Las Vegas.
Hello.
Okay, now.
Hi, Gianni. So football, we all know, unites billions of people across every culture, every continent. At Lenovo, our vision is smart technology for all. So Gianni, how can we use AI to make football more inclusive, more accessible?
Well, why, my friends? Thank you for having me here in Las Vegas once again. Hello, Las Vegas.
Yeah.
That's good. And of course, congratulations for everything you are doing. It is absolutely stunning, isn't it?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, shall we clap hands for Wei? But the best comes now. First, let me tell you, the FIFA World Cup in 2026 is going to be the greatest show ever on planet Earth. 7 million people will attend the 104 matches, which are actually 104 Super Bowls. Dozens of millions of fans will travel to the United States, to Canada, and to Mexico to feel the FIFA World Cup vibe. And listen to that, 6 billion people will watch it from home. The world will stand still.
Amazing.
And now, this. FIFA and Lenovo will fully embrace artificial intelligence, football AI, to support teams and players, while also providing new mind-blowing experience to fans worldwide.
Cannot wait for that.
Absolutely. Today, we launch Football AI Pro, a generative AI knowledge assistant. With Football AI Pro, we will democratize access to data by providing the most complete set of football analytics to all 48 competing teams, and soon, of course, to the fans as well. Thanks to Football AI, the next generation of the referee view, you know, this little camera, thanks to which we all see exactly what the referee sees. Well, this camera will show us new AI-enabled stabilized pictures to make the viewing experience absolutely unique, as if you are in the center of the field together with the players. And a third feature of Football AI will be that with AI-enabled 3D players' avatars, we are introducing precise player identification and tracking, which is a big, big advantage for our semi-automated offside technology, which means great images, faster decisions by the referees, and a clear understanding by everyone. But of course, dear friends, this is just the beginning. So my message to all the fans worldwide is, stay tuned, because more exciting developments with Football AI will come to create unforgettable experiences in the months and years ahead. Lenovo and FIFA, we are teaming up for the benefits of fans and football alike. That is exactly what smarter technology for all means. Together, we are ensuring that innovation benefits every player, every team, and every fan everywhere in the world, and of course, benefits the greatest game of all, football.
So Gianni, that's such an inspiring message. Lenovo AI is powering the FIFA World Cup this year, and I'm confident that it will be a great success. So Gianni, I actually have prepared a gift for you. Actually, it's the latest.
A ticket for the World Cup, or?
Yes, so definitely. It's the last product announcement for today. We are launching this FIFA branded Motorola Razr. It's a FIFA World Cup 26th edition.
It's for me?
It's for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's so special. Look at this. It's absolutely fantastic.
So this will be available as soon as next month. This phone will be sold through another global networking partner of FIFA, Verizon. So it shows how two of your biggest global partners can work together to bring the game to fans everywhere. So Gianni, thank you for joining me today.
Well, thank you so much, my friend. We say that what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, but what happens here today, you have to bring it all over the world. Thank you very much. Thank you for this fantastic partnership.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Now, as we approach the end of our show tonight, let's ask Lenovo Kira to summarize what we have shown today. Angelina, could you help?
You got it, YY. Hey, Kira, go ahead and summarize tonight's content.
Today we saw how Lenovo is bringing hybrid AI to everyone. From the launch of Lenovo Kira and Aura Edition AI PCs to AI Cloud Gigafactory and AI inferencing servers, we are unleashing Lenovo Hybrid AI Advantage to enable real-time solutions for global enterprises like Formula One and the FIFA World Cup, bringing smarter AI for all.
Excellent summary, and thank you, Angelina and Kira. Now, let me invite all of our guest speakers back to stage. FIFA World Cup tickets and trips. Congratulations to everyone here. If you didn't win a ticket, I still have a little gift for you all. Thank you here in Sphere and around the world online for joining this amazing tech world. Together, let's build a smarter AI for all.
We hope you are enjoying Lenovo Tech World at CES and your Sphere experience. We will now have a brief intermission. Coming up during the break, U.S. Olympic champion and World Cup champion Alex Morgan, followed by a spectacular performance by Gwen Stefani.